Okay guys, we're almost done. The last thing we're going to add onto the spreadsheet is a thank you note at the bottom. So let's click on cell A24. I'm going to hold the shift button down and merge cells A24 to G24. So I've selected all of these cells across the bottom, and now I'm going to merge them. And in that box, we'll type a thank you note. And I'd like to put a border around there. And there we go. So we have the invoice at the top, we have the calculations here at the bottom, and a thank you note at the very bottom. The final thing we want to do is set the print area. So I'm going to click on cell G24 and drag up all the way to the top. Now I used my mouse there, but I could have used my keyboard. So let me show you what the keyboard would have looked like. So if I click on the cell at the bottom, I hold the shift button down and I move up with the keyboard. I've selected the entire invoice. At the top of the page, we're going to click on Page Layout. And here you're going to see our choices. We have Page Setup and Print Area. The first thing I want to do is click on Print Area. I'm going to set the print area. That's telling Excel that everything that is selected now is what you want to print. And you'll notice in this box now you have a defined print area. The next thing I want to do is I want to go to Page Setup. I click on Page Setup and you'll see that there's a preview. The only thing I want to change here is I want to change the only thing I want to change is I want to center this horizontally across the top. So I move down and then it says Center on Page. I click on that and it just shifts it to the middle of the page. And if I wanted to, I could print that. And as you can see, that looks like an authentic invoice. It has the name of the company and has where it's going to. Randy Gibson is getting these pen supplies. I click back to the workbook and we're done. And the last thing you want to do is you want to click on Share and then share with the instructor. That's it for this video. See ya.